The unveiling of Turkey's ANKA III unmanned combat aerial vehicle sent shockwaves through the global defense community, capturing the attention of military analysts and aviation enthusiasts worldwide. The event was not just a showcase, but a bold declaration of Turkey's technological ambitions. This jet-powered, tailless stealth drone marked Turkey's leap from drone innovator to genuine aerospace power. Its futuristic flying wing design and advanced stealth features set it apart from anything previously seen in the region. Unlike previous Turkish drones, the ANKA III is a radical, homegrown design, placing Turkey alongside the US, Russia, and China in the elite stealth drone club. This achievement signals a new level of technological maturity and ambition for the nation. The world, accustomed to Turkey's Bayraktar TB2, was stunned by the ANKA III's advanced capabilities and ambitious design. Its introduction marks a dramatic evolution in Turkey's drone program, surprising even seasoned observers. Developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries, the ANKA III signals a decisive break from reliance on foreign suppliers and showcases Turkey's growing strategic autonomy. The drone's development highlights the country's commitment to building a self-sufficient defense industry. For NATO allies, it's a sign of a partner's rising capabilities. For regional rivals, it's a new, unpredictable threat. The ANKA III's presence is already prompting strategic recalculations across the region. The ANKA III isn't just another drone, it's a statement of intent, challenging the established military balance. Its deployment signals that Turkey is ready to shape the future of aerial warfare. Its arrival forces a re-evaluation of Turkey's military-industrial complex and signals a new era in regional power projection. The ANKA III's impact will be felt not just in Turkey, but across the entire geopolitical landscape. The message is clear. Turkey is ready to project power in potent new ways, leveraging cutting-edge technology to assert its influence. The ANKA III's debut marks Turkey's arrival as a major player in 21st-century aerial warfare, setting the stage for a future where Turkish innovation will be impossible to ignore. The ANKA III is more than just another unmanned combat aerial vehicle. It's a leap forward in drone warfare technology, representing a new era in how air power is projected on the modern battlefield. It's designed to survive and strike deep inside heavily defended enemy territory, where traditional aircraft would face overwhelming danger. Its primary mission is to take on high-risk operations like deep strike attacks, targeting critical infrastructure and enemy strongholds far behind the front lines. It excels at suppression of enemy air defenses, neutralizing radar and missile sites that would otherwise threaten friendly forces. The ANKA III is also a game-changer for intelligence gathering, able to conduct surveillance missions in areas where manned aircraft would be at extreme risk or simply unable to operate. With its advanced stealth profile and jet propulsion, the ANKA III can slip through sophisticated air defense networks, neutralize key threats, and return safely. By doing so, it can open corridors for manned fighters, paving the way for larger air operations and increasing the survivability of the entire strike package. This capability fundamentally changes Turkey's strategic options, allowing for bold, complex operations without risking pilots' lives, and giving commanders new tools to shape the battlefield. The ANKA III is a direct response to the proliferation of advanced missile systems in the region like the S-300 and S-400, which have made traditional air attacks far more dangerous. It's not a standalone asset, but a key node in a networked force, designed to operate alongside manned jets and other drones, sharing data in real time and coordinating complex missions. This networked warfare approach is the future of air combat, and Turkey is building the architecture for a next-generation air force that can adapt to rapidly changing threats. By fielding the ANKA III, Turkey can now threaten targets once considered untouchable, shifting the balance of power in the region. The risk calculus shifts dramatically, providing a powerful deterrent and far greater flexibility for military planners to respond to emerging threats. The ANKA III is a true force multiplier, reshaping the Turkish Air Force for the battles of tomorrow and ensuring it remains at the cutting edge of aerial warfare. The ANKA III's journey from concept to first flight was a monumental achievement for Turkish Aerospace. On December 28, 2023, the prototype took to the skies, marking a historic milestone. The maiden flight lasted over an hour, reaching 8,000 feet and 150 knots, enough to validate the design and systems. The flying wing design, lacking traditional tail surfaces, posed unique aerodynamic challenges, but the ANKA III performed flawlessly. This success showcased the skill of Turkish engineers and the sophistication of their flight control systems. The event was celebrated nationally, symbolizing Turkey's emergence as a top-tier drone manufacturer. The ANKA III's first flight transformed it from a paper concept to a proven airworthy platform. It paves the way for more demanding tests and cements Turkey's place in global aviation history. Stealth is the ANKA III's defining feature, making it a formidable asset in modern warfare. Its tailless flying wing shape eliminates radar reflective surfaces, drastically reducing its radar cross-section. Every curve and edge is meticulously shaped to deflect radar energy away from enemy receivers. Internal weapons bays keep its profile clean, avoiding the radar signature spikes caused by external munitions. The bay doors open only briefly to launch weapons, maintaining stealth throughout most of the mission. Advanced composite materials absorb radar waves, further reducing detectability. These radar-absorbent materials act like a sponge, converting radar energy into heat. The combination of shape, internal carriage, and materials makes the ANKA III exceptionally hard to detect. It's designed to strike before the enemy even knows it's there. The ANKA III's stealth is not just a feature, it's a game-changing advantage. The ANKA III's performance specs are as impressive as its stealth. Powered by a single turbofan engine, it achieves high subsonic speeds and operates at altitudes up to 40,000 feet, with a maximum takeoff weight of 6,500 kg and a payload capacity of 1,200 kg. It rivals some light fighter jets. Its endurance, up to 10 hours at 30,000 feet, enables persistent surveillance or long-range strike missions. The internal bays can carry up to 650 kg of ordnance each, with external hardpoints available for non-stealth missions. This versatility allows the ANKA III to perform deep strikes, intelligence gathering, and more without compromise. Its combination of speed, range, payload, and stealth makes it a strategic asset. The ANKA III is built to shape the modern battlefield and give Turkey a decisive edge. The ANKA III is a true multi-role platform, designed to adapt to the ever-changing demands of modern warfare, and capable of executing a wide range of missions with remarkable efficiency. Its primary role is deep strike, using precision munitions like the SOM-J cruise missile, to hit high-value targets far behind enemy lines, even in heavily defended areas. This allows commanders to neutralize threats before they can impact friendly forces. The ANKA III excels at seed and dead missions, sneaking past advanced radars to destroy enemy air defenses and open safe corridors for friendly aircraft and ground units, paving the way for successful operations. Its high-altitude endurance and stealth make it ideal for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, gathering critical data undetected, monitoring enemy movements, and providing real-time battlefield awareness to commanders. The ANKA III can also be equipped for electronic warfare, jamming enemy radars and communications to protect strike packages, disrupt enemy coordination, and create confusion on the battlefield. There's even potential for air-to-air roles, acting as a loyal wingman to manned fighters or intercepting enemy drones and helicopters, expanding its utility beyond traditional unmanned missions. This versatility ensures the ANKA III remains indispensable across the full spectrum of military operations, from high-intensity conflict to peacekeeping and humanitarian support. It's not just a drone, it's a force enabler for the Turkish Air Force, strengthening national defense and shaping the future of aerial warfare. Turkey is pioneering a new combat concept, teaming manned and unmanned aircraft for maximum effect. In April 2025, an ANKA III launched a Super Şimşek drone mid-flight, validating the loyal wingman concept. The Super Şimşek acts as a decoy or strike asset, flying ahead to bait enemy air defenses and reveal their positions. This tactic allows the ANKA III and manned fighters to map and destroy air defenses with minimal risk. The expendable Super Şimşek can jam radars, mimic larger aircraft, or even perform kamikaze attacks. This layered, networked approach multiplies force effectiveness and survivability. The integration of ANKA III and Super Şimşek shows Turkey is thinking beyond individual platforms. It's developing a sophisticated adaptive system designed to outsmart and overwhelm adversaries. The ANKA III's development is just the beginning of a new era for Turkish air power. Rigorous testing continues, with operational service targeted for 2026, a rapid, ambitious timeline. Future upgrades include a possible supersonic version and more powerful indigenous engines, pushing the boundaries even further. The ANKA III shifts the regional military balance, giving Turkey the ability to challenge rivals and deter aggression across a vast area. Its export potential is significant, offering advanced capabilities at a competitive price. More than a drone, the ANKA III is a symbol of Turkey's technological ambition and strategic independence. Integrated with assets like the Can fighter, it will form the backbone of a new, networked, and lethal Turkish Air Force. For Turkey, the sky is no longer the limit, it's just the beginning.